Okay, I bought a used compressor which had this type of a control switch on it, and I thought there was a problem with it, and I was going to have to adjust it so that it would cut out at a lower pressure, maybe 100 psi or 95. I was only going to use it for tires and stuff like that, and turns out it was okay. But because I thought I was going to do some adjustment, I started researching on how to adjust the cut in and cut out pressures on this type. I found a couple of videos. Wasn't 100% pleased with them. They still left me wondering a little bit. So I Googled to get more information on them. And I figured out all the idea of how the whole concept of how it works with that spring down there and that other little spring you can see going back horizontally. But I won't bore you with all that, because after I started to adjust it, I got it done, and I had to find my cover plate, which was missing from this used unit. I had to get it off of another unit I was getting parts off of. And lo and behold, this is an LEF00, I believe, or 00. And lo and behold, inside are the instructions very clearly on how to adjust it. So it basically isn't this lid. How about that? This lid doesn't show it. It must be the lid of the other cover, because this is a lid off of this one. The actual real one has a different lid, and it explains it. So I will explain it without showing you it on the lid here. Anyway, what it is the brass screw simultaneously increases or decreases the cut in, cut out. So if you tighten it up, turn it clockwise, the cut in will increase, and so will the cut out increase. Okay? So that's what I was adjusting it to get it to a range that was acceptable. The plastic one to the left of that is to increase the cutout temperature, the cutout PSI, the higher end cutout, without affecting the cut in. So if you have it set to, say, I had it around 72, 100 or something, then you can get it a little bit above 100 with the plastic screw, turning it clockwise without increasing the lower cut-in rate. So that's how it's done. It's interesting that I got two covers, one that explained it and one that didn't. And like I say, there were some videos on it, but when a guy says he's turning a screw and he doesn't have the screw in the video picture, it's kind of hard to know what he's doing. Anyway, that's it.